Dr. Paul Anderson here again from Peachtree Oral Facial Surgery. Another question that comes up in our practice has to do with why would I replace a back tooth? And I think that the best way to explain this is probably to ask you a question: which of your teeth do the most work? And I think the answer to that in most cases is going to be your back teeth. Your back teeth crush the food that you eat and probably help you with nutrition much more than you realize. The other thing they do is they actually support the front teeth. So you really aren't going to find very many people with a beautiful set of teeth from eye tooth to eye tooth or canine to canine that don't have any support behind that. And that's what the molars do. So that's really the reason why we like to replace the molar teeth. Not only functionally are they important from a standpoint of chewing food, but they also keep your facial structure intact and protect the front teeth from those crushing forces that they're meant to take care of.